Got a delicious dessert to make today on Kitchen Guy. It's actually a combination of two Italian favorites, Zabaglione and Semifreddo. And I've started over a pot of barely simmering water with 4 egg yolks and a half a cup of sugar, and I'll beat them until they're foamy. And then I'll add a 1/4 cup of Marsala wine. Now in a stand mixer, I've got a cup of cream that I've beaten to stiff peaks, and now I will gently fold the whipped cream into the Marsala and egg mixture until it's all combined. I've got some ramekins that I will lightly spray. You can also use some butter. And then I will put crumbled amaretto cookies into the bottoms of each of the ramekins, and then fill them with that cream mixture. And then I'll top them with some more cookies, and then I'll put them in the freezer until they're solid. I brought the Semifreddo desserts out of the freezer, brought them to room temperature, and just to give them a little extra help, I put the ramekins in some hot water, and I'll blot it. And on my serving plate, I'll invert it and give it a shake, and then garnish with a couple more cookies. You can get this recipe by logging onto the website and clicking on the Kitchen Guy link, or write to me here at the station. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time. Ciao.